Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic canonical URLs for your blogs in GoHighLevel. Now, in order to make these canonical links dynamic, we have to make use of custom values. Now, if you're not familiar with canonical links, it is a way of telling search engines which page should take precedence in terms of indexing if you have similar content, and this can be really helpful for your SEO practices. So let's dive into my screen here and I'll show you on how to configure this. Alright, so in my sub account, the first thing I'm going to do is head over to settings at the bottom, and then I'm going to head over to custom values and go to folders. I already have a folder set up which is called canonical URLs. So we'll go ahead and set up a couple of custom values for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm going to call this one category canonical link, and I'm going to add the value here. Of course, this is where your domain will be added. And then I'm going to click on create. And then I'm going to create another one, and I'm going to call this canonical link for marketing AI trends. This is basically the topic for one of the blog posts, and here you have to put in your own domain. So I'm just going to write this one as an example and then click on create. Once this is done, I'm going to copy these keys of the custom values here so we can paste them in the canonical links and head back to sites and then click on blogs here. So here you can see I already have a blog set up, and if I click on that, you can see we have 2 blog posts published here and one is in draft. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to add the canonical link and make it dynamic for the category or for the author. So we'll click on the 3 dots for this blog right here and then click on canonical links. And here you'll find an option to put a canonical link for the category, for the author, and also for your blog URL. Now here you can see I have a category for marketing automation. So this is where I'll put the custom value for the category canonical link that we just created. And in future, if I have to change it, the only thing I'll have to do is head over to custom values, change the URL, and it will automatically change it, making it completely dynamic. So you can easily add it here. Now you can also do this for your author page or the main blog URL page. It all depends on you. Once you're happy with these settings, just go ahead and click on save. And now we have added the custom value and made our category canonical link completely dynamic. Now, next up, I'm going to show you on how to do this for an individual blog post. So let's say you have a blog that talks about marketing AI trends, and you also have some more topics which sort of do an overlap with it, and you want to tell the search engines that this is the blog that I want to index as the parent one, and there might be similar content related to this on my blog post. So in order to create the dynamic canonical link for this blog post, we're going to click on the title right here, and then over to the top right side, we're going to click on update settings. And then under canonical link, you can see I already have a canonical link set up, but this is static because I'll have to go in and change it if I want to. But now if I can take this out, I will replace it with the custom value. And the best part is I only have to change the part from the custom values. So that means even if I'm using it in multiple places, I only have to change it at one point. And certainly I don't have to go into different places and make the changes manually. So you can see how much time and effort it can save you, making your time and SEO efforts more productive. Once you have pasted your custom value here, all you have to do is head over down and click on publish. And now you are ready to go. So this was how easy it was to create dynamic canonical links. Again, if you're into SEO and you're trying to rank higher for your blog or your website, this can certainly help you, and it will also help you save time and efforts, making you more productive. That was all about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.